mga nakuha namin. Ayan, dami. Ilalaga ko siya tapos ilalagay ko sa freezer, frozen. Dami ba? Tapos meron pa dong malaking plastic, malaki sa bag, bibigay namin dun sa aking aking sister-in-law. Dami. Ano pa, ang dami. Okay mga kalaps, dito po kami ngayon sa kamag-anak ng asawa ko para mag-harvest ng corn. Fresh corn. Ayan. Ayan yung bahay nila. Okay, nandito na kami. Nagpunta na kami dati rito. I think 2-3 years ago. Nag-harvest din kami ng corn. Ngayon, kuha ulit kami ng corn. Ay, yung corn nila. Kanilang shed. Uy, honey. Honey. Ang laki ng aso.
There we go.
Oh.
Did you have Jesse? Come on.
Punta na kami dito siguro 3-4 years ago. Yan, nanguha kami ng ano din, ng corn. Laking corn nila.
And we've been eating of it, Denise, so it's almost
Corn nila. May mga gulay din
I
sila
was trying
dito.
to get my canning freezing done before let's go down here farther. I was trying to get mine done before everyone came out.
Oh.
But I
Mga kamatis, mga sili. Nanguha na sila.
I'm gonna give you more. Send more.
You're gonna freeze it, right? You eat all in the freezer.
Yeah.
Dito ako mangunguha. Mangunguha ako ng sarili ko.
Mike, I think you got enough now.
More bags should be plenty. Anyway. Knock the weeds down what we could.
Yeah. And I've still only gotten 3 tomatoes out of the garden.
Well,
Meron din silang broccoli.
So is Mark still working?
Tomato.
I didn't think they, I mean, if he lost his job, I think they'd be really cool.
Tomato. Meron din sila. Ito bulaklak to eh. Bulaklak. Ito naman beans. Sabi nila marami nga daw sila ngayong gulay. Hindi masyadong magulay. Kasi nga panay ang ulan. Yan ang corn. Hindi namin konti lang kinuha namin. 4 na bag kasi. Dami. Pinapakuha sa amin lahat. Diyos ko, ang dami-dami yan. Hindi naman namin yan. Ginagawa ko siya, binablanch ko siya, tapos pinipreser ko. Para next year.
Yeah.
and hard. Oh.
And I think that what
Took
we,
the chisel ball and went through it.
Kuha namin. Pwede lang magtinda dito.
Start opening them up the fly.
Ay, tapos na. Yung plastic na dala naming 4 kulang pa. There's a lot of corn.
Did you see the difference now?
No. What's the difference?
One, they're not as big. Two,
Oh, yeah?
the leaves are a little bit different than the, and even the tassels are a little bit different. But it's hard to see when you just drive it down the road. But
Yeah, it's all corn. Okay, siguro 1/4 lang yung nakuha namin kasi wala kaming bag.
they got blown over by the wind.
Oo. Kuha lang daw kami kapag kailangan pa raw namin. Diyos ko. Okay, salamat sa pagpanood.
Not to mow.
Bye.